Axel, Senior Technical Analyst here at IG. Swing trading is what I want to talk to you about today. Tell me about swing trading. What is it?
Basically, swing trading is for those people who don't want to trade intraday. So they're not day traders, they're trading the swings over the next few days or weeks in the financial markets.
And Axel, what kind of person would use a swing trading strategy?
Maybe those people who don't want to have the volatility intraday, the stress of trading in and out lots of times, but who want to follow market movements to the upside or downside. It's basically the swings of the market, for example, on a daily chart.
Okay, so maybe they're a little bit time poor.
Yes, I mean, they still have to watch the market to some degree. But yes, if you have a 9-to-5 job, you could swing trade the daily moves and just look at them sort of once or twice a day. But yes, that's basically it. But what you can't do is sort of trade intraday in and out, etc., because you're busy doing other things.
What sort of time frame should I be using for this?
It really depends on the market, because what you might be wanting to look for is some sort of trend, either to the upside or downside, and you just look at the swings. You know, does it go higher like this, or does it go lower like this? It really is quite often like a ratchet approach, sort of ratcheting lower or higher. And if you look at a daily chart, for example, the NASDAQ 100, that's very popular because it's quite volatile. The same thing for the German DAX 40 contract. You can trade futures contracts or the indices. Some people swing trade on currencies such as the euro versus the US dollar. So it really depends on your preference, but most people would use a daily time frame.
And are there any particular trading or technical indicators that I should look for?
Well, the usual suspects in technical analysis, that is to say, a lot of people look at either bar charts or candlestick charts, and then they will look at reversal patterns or trend continuation patterns, and they can combine that, for example, with indicators such as the stochastics or relative strength index or MACD. It really depends on your preference.
How much money should I start with?
Probably, Chris, just a few £100, because you can trade relatively small and maybe just reduce your trading